So this is a quick video on this Volstro Rotary Milling head. So first of all, you can set the radius by turning this crank here, and you can see it increases the radius. You could read it right here on the gauge. Right there is 1.5 inches. The fine measurement is right on this dial here. And then this dial turns the head, and you can read the degrees right here that it's turning. Now I'm going to make a pass, and I'm turning this handle right here, which is rotating the head, and the cutter feeds in, and here we go. And that's about as far as I want to go right there.